All right, I got the Viagl spare tire mount for trailers. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. I just wanted to open this up, show you what you get with this. Take some measurements so you can see what you're going to get when you buy this. First off, very sturdy. It's welded all the way around here and around here. Nice black on there. It's designed to hook up to the side of a trailer for a boat trailer, maybe for a boat tire or a lawn trailer, any type of trailer where you're going to need a spare tire. It mounts on a frame, but let's get some measurements here. I'll go over it. So end to end here, we're looking at 7.5 inches, and we're looking at a little over 4.5 inches in width. If we go to the inside of here, it's almost spot on 4.5 inches inside this track right here. And this side of it, we're looking at about 4.5 by 6.5. So we've got 4 long screws just like this, 4 short screws for depending on your application. These 2 screws are for the lug holes, and all of the screws they're squared off right here, so that when you stick it through the right area, it locks into place, which is what you want. For the 2 4 screw sets, we've got 4 washers and 4 lock washers and 4 nuts, obviously. Got this on with the long bolts, about as far as I can get it out, and I'm a little 3 1/4, 3.5 inches, so that'll accommodate a pretty wide trailer bar if that's what you need. And again, you've got the shorter ones in case you need the shorter ones. As far as the lug bolts go, and it's set up to accommodate different size tires. So we got the one on the bottom locks here. The one on the top slides through, and using that square head, it slides. You can see, so it gives you enough to accommodate different size tires. And of course, if you need to, you could always use the other side of this too. And with this setup here on here, we got some washers, and they have a double nut thing set up. So you can put the first nut on and the second nut right here, kind of a larger rounded nut on there to kind of lock it into place. It's a pretty simple design. Looks like it'll get the job done. Now I've got all 4 of these on here. And here's what it's gonna look like once it's in place. Again, I think you can mount this either this way or this way, you know, depending on what kind of trailer you have. So that's a cool thing. And if you've got a shorter bar that you're gonna latch onto, we've got 4 smaller bolts as well. According to the literature, this is compatible with a 4 lug by 4 inch diameter pattern, 5 lug by 4.5 inch diameter pattern, and a 6 lug by 5.5 inch diameter pattern. And it fits trailer tongues that are up to 6 inches tall and 4 inches wide. Pretty cool bolt-on design. Doesn't require any cutting or drilling. There it is, the Viagl spare tire bracket for your spare tire. Feels pretty sturdy. Check it out.